Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, this is day 5 of English speaking challenge. As you all know, I took a challenge to speaking English continuously for 10 days. So this is day 5, and today's video I am going to share about my 12th class journey, how I passed my 12th class, and ho- and how many percentage I get in 12th class. So friends, I hope you will like this video, you will subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So friends, before discussing about my 12th class journey, I want to share about my previous previous classes. So friends, as all students start, I also start from nursery. So friends, in nursery, I did my nursery from Afzal Memorial School, which is high school. I did fifth class. After this, I take admission in Shorat Inter College, which is uh, which is 1 kilometer distance from my house. So where I did my eighth class. After did I change my school, and I take admission in SM Inter College in eighth class. So friends, I did 8th, 9th, 10th from SM Inter College, and in my 10th class, as you know, that time was 2020, and the coronavirus also coming there. So friends, in coronavirus, the government of India has passed free for us, and he promotes all student which was in class 10 or class 12. So I also promote on in my 10 class. I got 72% because I don't because I was promoted, so I got good percentage. So friends, after this, I took a challenge to change my school, because in my school there I did 10 9 my 9 8 9 10. There was no science stream, there was a commerce stream. So I took a decision to change my school. So I I take admission in Shri Ram Kisan Inter College in 11th class, which was approximately 1/2 kilometer on distance from my house. So I take take admission in that school. I passed my 11th class normally. I I I did enjoy as all student to class 11, because there is no board in class 11th. But when I came in class 12th, class 12th, in early days, I did not study as well. But as papers were coming, paper is coming, we we starting we start to study. So friends, when 4 months left from our papers, I join math class tuition. So friends, I go every day tuition, and I did very well in tuition. The tuition teacher was very good. So friends, we did well in tuition classes. So in class 12th, when paper comes, I think the day 15 days before 15 days left of papers, we did very hustle. And after this, I don't expect that I can get 62%, but I get 62% in my class 12 because I am so weak in study. So I did not expect that I will pass from first. I will pass from first division. So friends, but eventually I passed class 12 from 62%. After get 62%, I was very happy because I did not expect from myself that I will pass 12th class, but I did pass class 12th and get a good percentage, which is for me, at least for me, that was good because I did not expect that I can get 62%. So friends, this was my 12th class journey, and now, as you know, now I am studying in BTech in my in third year. So friends, I want to share about my today routines as in every video, every day I did. So friends, as always, I wake up today to morning at 6 p.m. Today I every day I wake up at 7 p.m. But today I took a decision to wake up on 6 p.m. and after did I did some exercise like push up and exercise from bricks and did yoga. I did 2 or 3 yoga exercise. So after this I take I did brushed my tooth and wash my face. After this I take breakfast. In breakfast I take tea and butters and roti. So friends, and what did after the I think I did what I did I sit to study English from 8 p.m. 8 from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I did to understand what is verb first form, second form, third form, and I learn many forms as like go, goes, go, second form went, third form gone, fourth form going, fifth form goes. So friends, I learn this, and I also learn about verbs fully. What is verbs? How verbs works? So friends, if you want to know what is verbs, so I want to told you verbs is like verbs are two types. Verbs verbs are have two types: main verb and helping verb. Main verb is that I taking bath. So friend, in this sentence taking is main verb because which action I take, this is taking, which is real action. So this was main verb. And about helping verbs, as like I say I am a student. So friend, in this sentence am is a helping verb because he gets support to complete the he give support to complete the sentence. So friends, after learn English, I went out from my house in under the sun because there are some In my village, there are there are cold days starting. Weather is changing. Previous last month there was summery days, but now now the cold days are coming. So friends, this is starting of cold days. So now we choose to sit under the sun. So friends, after spend approximately 30 minutes, I return to my home. And friend, I took my laptop from my bag and start to study HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used in to create web pages. As you say in Google, if you search Google some website as like Crickbus, which is used to see cricket scores. So friends, when you search Crickbus on Google, so friends, there there the interface of Crickbus is comes. So when we try it, we goes to under to to the Crickbus page and Crickbus page. So that is Crickbus page. You see some columns where navigation bar, scorecard, player stats, and overs and highlights and scores you can see easily. So friends, this called page of a website. So I learn HTML approximately 1 hour, around 1 hour, 1 hour. So friends, after learn the HTML, I went to namaz. I went for namaz. Today was Friday, so I went for namaz. I I start walking towards masjid and I complete my namaz. The time was around 1:30 p.m. After this, I returned to my home and my father was also coming from the works. So he say to me he have a some work for me. He told me that please he told me that do this work. So friends, I did that work and I did that work and I told him that I have done this work. So friends, I went after this the 2 p.m. was happened. So friends, after this I went to I went to near my friend and we did kidding for some times for some time. And after this I returned to my home and thinking that think to shoot the video. So to shoot the video I came to the forest which is near my home. I i every day come here and shoot my videos shoot my videos. So this is my fifth video on my channel. So I will upload this on 4 or 5 p.m. because I have no net in this mobile. I will connect to someone my friend from my friend and after that I upload this video. I hope you guys you will definitely like this video, subscribe the channel, and I hope you also share the video and press the bell icon. So friends, if you also thinking to speak English without any mistakes, so friends, please start to speak because until you not start speak. Then you cannot get success to speak English, because thinking is not bad, but overthinking is bad. So friends, no, you should do no overthinking. You should to take the decision right now. So friends, take the decision, take the action, and speak from now, and speak from now. This helps a lot to speak you English, because as you possible to speak, you speak, because to speak English is very necessary to speak. Until you not speak, then you cannot get success to speak English. So friends, if you want to speak influently, so try this. You can speak front of your mirror, as I think you have in your house. Everyone house there is a mirror. So friends, in the front of mirror you can easily speak the English, and also as like me you can also shoot the video. If you have empty place in your room, and where as possible you can shoot, because you should, because without start to speak English you cannot speak the English. So friends, try to speak English. No words are coming in my minds that I said to you, but I have completed this video 17 minutes. So I every day think to create about 20 minutes video. So 3 minutes is left to reach 20 minutes. So friends, uh, I want to told you that everyone start from zero. No one is genius from his childhood. There is no one who is a genius from childhood. No, everyone did everyone face very problems. After facing the problems, he goes he goes he goes perfect. So don't don't nervous from the mistakes. Please start to speak English. You will definitely you will definitely get success to speak English if you try from now. So friends, this is my day this is my fifth video of English speaking challenge. This is my day 5 video. So I am happy to maintain my consistency, and which I took a challenge is of 10 days. I will try to increase that in 20 days, but I want to complete my 10 days, because small steps are are first step towards success. So friends, hope you will enjoy the video. You will like the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So friends, take care of yourself, and speak from now, and try to speak from now, because this is very necessary. You start to speak from now. So take care and bye bye.